Good morning and welcome to GHRCE News Desk. This is Sindhu Panikar back again with more acquaints from GH Raisoni College of Engineering. As stated by Dr. Pranav Mukherjee, science, education, research and innovation are the four pillars on which the development as well as the work culture of a nation rests. Scientific temperament cannot happen unless we improve the delivery of education at all levels. With the same as the key factor and as the mission, GHRCE is consistently ensuring education with innovation as their success mantra. With that note, let's move on to the headlines for the day. 1 week faculty development program on recent trends and applications in biomedical signal and image processing at GHRCE. Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D, selected as the prestigious scheme of AICTE UKI-ERI Technical Education Leadership Development Program and nominated as one of the editors in the editorial team for Research Journal of Science published by Rashtra Sant Tukadoji Maharaj, Nagpur University. Dr. Prashant Borkar receives grant of AICTE MOD ROV project titled Modernization of Database Management Lab to Data Science Lab. Food recipe contest held by GHRCE Nagpur and CVRGU Bhubaneswar under EBSB program of AICTE Maharashtra and Odisha Cuisine. Now let's move on to the news in detail. Department of Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering of GHRC organized online mode 1 week faculty development program on recent trends and applications in biomedical signal and image processing sponsored by AICTE New Delhi Atal during September 21st to 25th, 2020. 200 faculty members of AICTE approved institutes from 16 states across the country participated in online mode FDP. 15 sessions of experts of IITs, NITs, reputed industries delivered sessions and shared their research experience and expertise in the trust area and the theme of FDP of biomedical engineering and applications. Prominent academic experts invited to deliver sessions were Professor Vikram Gadre of IIT Bombay on multi-resolution deep learning techniques for the biometric ear recognition. Professor A.N. Rajagopalan, Chair Professor of IIT Madras on deep image super resolution. Professor Saugata Sinha from VNIT Nagpur on artificial neural network for medical imaging. Professor Shyam Limaye on design of ventilator for COVID-19 patients. Professor Milan Mushrif of YCCE Nagpur on brain MRI data analysis. Prominent industry experts who delivered sessions were Dr. Sanjeev Kukavati from ITIE Solutions Bangalore on practical aspects of biomedical signal and image processing. Dr. Aniruddha Joshi from Atreya Innovations Pune on data science driven Ayurveda, and Mr. Anand R. Sono of Signal and Image Processing Research Center Salem on role of deep learning for signal and image processing related to medical science. The sessions were conducted on WebEx online training imparting platform. The coordinator of the program, Dr. Milind Khanapurkar, during inauguration function on 21st, welcomed all the participants and praised efforts taken by Atal Academy of AICTE New Delhi for providing sponsorship to conduct the FDP in online mode on thrust area in the COVID-19 pandemic situation. Dr. Sachin Untubale, director of the institute, thanked Atal AICTE officials, Dr. Ravindra Soni, Dr. Garg, and others for giving the institute an opportunity to organize the FDP. The FDP organizing team members thanked Chairman of Raisoni Group of Institutions, Shri Sunil Raisoni ji, for providing encouragement in such endeavors leading to the vision of the group Vision Beyond. The valedictory of FDP held on 25th September 2020, during which the participants appreciated the efforts of organizing team and the institute. The participants thanked Director of Institute for providing them this opportunity for the participation in the program and wish to be a part of these programs organized by GHRC in future as well. Now, moving on to the next news, that's Dr. Santosh Jaju, Dean R&D and Professor of Mechanical Engineering, has been selected in the prestigious scheme of AICTE UKI Technical Education Leadership Development Program. UKERI is a UK Indian educational research initiative started in April 2006 with the aim of enhancing educational links between India and the United Kingdom. The team objectives of AICTE UKERI Technical Education Leadership Development Program is to provide leadership and management training workshops. Accredited by Chartered Management Institute, that's CMI, the delegates will undertake 3 workshops. Between these workshops, the participants or the team of the participants will work on a change project within their organization, allowing them to put into practice the leadership and management skills they are developing through this training. Adding another feather to his cap, Dr. Santosh Jaju has been nominated as one of the editors in the editorial team for Research Journal of Science published by Rashtrasant Tukadoji Maharaj, Nagpur University by Honorable Vice Chancellor. He shall be working with a team of 9-member committee to look into the review of work of publications that has to be considered. Following the next news, Dr. Prashant Borkar, head of the Department Computer Science Engineering, has received grant of 6.9 lakhs for MODROB of AICTE for the project title Modernization of Database Management Lab to Data Science Lab. The project duration is of 2 years. With the modernization, existing database management lab to data science lab could bring numerous data analytical tools, machine learning techniques, and touch of artificial intelligence to derive valuable insights. Advanced analyticals play a vital role in the era of big data, data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. This modernization to data science lab is designed for students and faculties with a priority to create interest in developing expertise in analyticals, data science, and AI. The facilities to be created from this funding area are advanced database management system with dedicated servers, business intelligence platform, data science, AI, machine learning and optimization platform, data pre-processing framework with advanced modeling facilities, data analytics with tools like Tableau, and dedicated GPU to solve complex problems. The expected outcome of this program would be like the integration of tools with existing live data sets and performing real-time data analytics predictions and effective decision making, which is the need for the hour. Live experts and dashboards of real-time data and fault tolerance, and meeting the needs of data scientists by devising solutions that can simultaneously cope with the volume, velocity, variety, and veracity aspects of data analytics. Developing novel statistical and mathematical algorithms, prediction techniques, modeling methods, compression schemes, as well as new approaches for data collection, integration, and data information sharing technologies. Natural language analytics and distributed storage systems and computations. Wow, does that sound amazing? From the team of GHRCE, we wish Dr. Prashant Borkar the best of all that comes out as the outcome of this project. Moving on to the next news, which is a food recipe contest held by GHRC Nagpur and CVRGU Bhubaneswar under EBSB program of AICTE, Maharashtra and Odisha cuisine. Ek Bharat Shreshth Bharat program of AICTE is executing GHY Soni College of Engineering in association with C.V. Raman Global University, Odisha since last few months. Under this program, an activity related to cuisine of paired state was held by EBSB team of GHRC Nagpur from 24th September to 2nd of October 2020. The activity was conducted through online mode on the official page of EBSB GHRC CVRGU Instagram page. Students of paired states prepared the native dish and sent their native dish photos with recipes to Mr. Aniket Gupta, GHRC, and Subranshu Pani, CVRGU, event coordinators. Later, they posted the recipe and the photos on Instagram page. Various dishes were prepared by students, and the objective of this is taking this activity to get familiar with the cuisine culture of both states. Total 12 students had participated in this activity and learned the recipe of each food item prepared by them. This activity was taken as a contest and every participant have received a participation certificate from GHRC. The activity was handled by Ms. Anisha Kerkar, EBSB Students Coordinator GHRC, and Ms. Jyotirmahi Mohanty, EBSB Student Coordinator CVRGU, under the observation of Professor Mangesh Borkar, EBSB Nodal Officer GHRC and NSS Program Officer. The activity was supported by Dr. O.S. Bihade, Executive Director RGI, and Dr. Sachin Untawale, Director GHRC and CEO RGI. With that note, we have come to the end of the news. I'll be back again with the next news in the upcoming series of News Desk. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and stay updated with us. Thank you.